Are you ready to embark on a journey to better health and well-being? Join us as we dive into the world of nutrition and explore the top books that can transform the way you eat, live, and thrive. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just curious about the secrets to a balanced diet, this video is your gateway to a world of culinary wisdom and nourishment. Hello foodies, health enthusiasts, and anyone looking to enhance their well-being through better nutrition. Today we have a delectable treat for you as we delve into the realm of nutrition books. What we put on our plates plays a crucial role in our overall health and vitality. With so much information out there, it's essential to separate fact from fiction and discover the best sources of nutrition knowledge. In this video, we'll be exploring a hand-picked selection of the finest nutrition books that offer insights, tips, and recipes to help you make informed and healthier choices. Whether you're striving for weight management, seeking to boost your energy levels, or simply aiming to lead a more balanced life, these books are here to guide you on your culinary journey. So, grab your fork and knife, or maybe just a pen and paper, and let's dig into the best nutrition books to nourish your mind and body. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Links to the books are given in the description below. Number 10. In Defense of Food by Michael Pollan. A renowned journalist and food enthusiast, Michael Pollan, who takes readers on a thought-provoking journey to re-examine our relationship with food in Defense of Food. This enlightening book challenges prevailing dietary norms and offers a refreshing perspective on what it means to eat healthily. Pollan's mantra, "Eat food, not too much, mostly plants," serves as a guiding principle throughout the book. He delves into the complexities of modern nutrition and the confusion surrounding it, highlighting the importance of returning to whole, unprocessed foods. Through meticulous research and engaging storytelling, Pollan unveils the detrimental effects of the Western diet and the rise of nutritionism, emphasizing that we should focus on the quality of our food rather than obsess over individual nutrients. In Defense of Food not only sheds light on the pitfalls of contemporary eating habits, but also provides practical advice on how to make healthier food choices and savor the joy of eating well. Number 9. How Not to Die by Gene Stone. A groundbreaking book co-authored by Gene Stone and Dr. Michael Greger, a physician and internationally recognized expert on nutrition. The book offers an eye-opening exploration of the link between diet and the prevention of chronic diseases. Dr. Greger's evidence-based approach is at the forefront of this comprehensive guide to better health. The book is divided into two parts. The first examines the leading causes of premature death, such as heart disease and cancer, while the second provides detailed guidance on how to use plant-based nutrition to prevent and even reverse these conditions. Dr. Greger's writing is accessible and compelling, making complex medical research digestible for readers of all backgrounds. How Not to Die is a vital resource that empowers readers to take control of their health by making informed dietary choices. With a focus on plant-based eating and an abundance of practical tips, this book is a roadmap to a longer, healthier life, grounded in scientific research and filled with actionable advice for achieving optimal well-being. Number 8. Intuitive Eating by Evelyn Tribal. A registered dietitian, Evelyn Tribal and Elise Resch, a nutrition therapist, join forces in intuitive eating to revolutionize the way we approach food and our bodies. This groundbreaking book introduces readers to the concept of intuitive eating, a philosophy that challenges traditional dieting and encourages a healthy relationship with food. Tribal and Resch advocate for listening to one's body cues, respecting hunger and fullness, and rejecting the dieting mentality that often leads to disordered eating habits. They guide readers through the 10 principles of intuitive eating, which include recognizing the difference between physical and emotional hunger, making peace with food, and finding joy in eating without guilt. By promoting mindfulness, self-compassion, and body acceptance, intuitive eating empowers individuals to break free from the cycle of restrictive diets and establish a balanced and sustainable approach to nourishing both body and soul. Number 7. Food Rules by Michael Pollan. Renowned author Michael Pollan offers a concise and accessible guide to healthier eating in food rules. With a no-nonsense approach, Pollan distills his wisdom into 64 straightforward rules that encourage readers to make better food choices. He begins by advising readers to eat food, not too much, mostly plants, a mantra that encapsulates his philosophy of returning to whole, unprocessed foods and embracing a primarily plant-based diet. Pollan's rules cover a wide range of topics, from avoiding foods with ingredients you can't pronounce to shopping the peripheries of the grocery store. He encourages readers to savor their meals, eat with others, and avoid eating in front of screens. Food Rules is not a rigid diet plan but rather a set of practical guidelines that promote mindful and healthful eating habits. With its simple and memorable rules, this book equips readers with the tools to navigate the modern food landscape and make informed choices that contribute to overall well-being. Number 6. Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics Complete Food and Nutrition Guide, 5th ed., by Robert Larson Doeve. She a registered dietitian and nutritionist. Robert Larson Doeve presents a comprehensive and authoritative resource in the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics Complete Food and Nutrition Guide. This 5th edition of the guide is a trusted source for individuals seeking evidence-based information on healthy eating. Doeve begins by emphasizing the importance of a balanced diet and guides readers through essential nutrients, food groups, and portion control. She addresses common nutrition misconceptions and offers practical tips for making informed food choices. The book covers a wide range of topics, from managing weight and understanding food labels to navigating dietary preferences and restrictions. With its user-friendly format, including charts, tables, and meal planning guidance, this guide is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to enhance their understanding of nutrition and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Number 5. Intuitive Eating, 4th edition, by Evelyn Tribal. Again, it's Evelyn Tribal, who is a registered dietitian and pioneer in the field of intuitive eating, brings readers the 4th edition of her transformative book, Intuitive Eating. This updated edition further solidifies the principles of intuitive eating as a holistic approach to nourishing the mind and body. Tribal challenges the dieting mentality and promotes the idea of tuning into one's body cues to guide eating habits. The book explores the 10 principles of intuitive eating, which include rejecting the dieting mindset, honoring hunger and fullness, and finding satisfaction in food. Tribal also addresses emotional eating and offers practical strategies for developing a positive relationship with food. With its emphasis on self-compassion, mindfulness, and body acceptance, Intuitive Eating provides readers with the tools to break free from the cycle of dieting, cultivate a healthier relationship with food, and foster a positive self-image. This book is not just about what you eat, it's about how you eat, empowering readers to make choices that align with their individual needs and preferences. Number 4. Deep Nutrition, by Catherine Shanahan. She is a board-certified family physician, dives deep into the world of nutrition and its profound impact on our health and Deep Nutrition. With a blend of scientific insights and practical guidance, Shanahan explores the ways in which our dietary choices influence our genes, longevity, and overall well-being. The book begins by challenging modern dietary norms and advocating for a return to ancestral eating patterns that have nourished humanity for generations. Shanahan introduces the concept of the 4 pillars of world cuisine, which forms the foundation of her nutritional philosophy. These pillars emphasize the importance of eating nutrient-dense, whole foods and avoiding processed and inflammatory substances. Through a wealth of case studies, Shanahan demonstrates how adopting these principles can lead to improved health, enhanced physical appearance, and enhanced vitality. Deep Nutrition is a compelling and eye-opening read for those looking to understand the profound connection between nutrition and optimal health. Number 3. Nutrition and Physical Degeneration, by Weston A. Price. You might not be expecting, but Weston A. Price is a dentist and nutrition researcher embarked on a groundbreaking journey to uncover the secrets of optimal health and nutrition in Nutrition and Physical Degeneration. Published in 1939, this timeless classic chronicles Price's travels to various remote and traditional societies across the globe. His mission was to study the dental and overall health of these populations, comparing those who adhered to traditional diets with those who had adopted modern, processed foods. What Price discovered was a revelation. Those who consumed their ancestral diets exhibited superior health, robust physiques, and minimal instances of chronic diseases and dental issues. In contrast, individuals who had shifted to processed diets experienced physical degeneration, dental decay, and a higher prevalence of chronic ailments. Nutrition and Physical Degeneration is a pioneering work that underscores the vital role of diet in human health. Price's research not only provides valuable insights into the importance of whole, unprocessed foods but also serves as a compelling reminder of the profound impact of nutrition on our physical well-being and overall vitality. Number 2. Eat, Drink, and Be Healthy, by Walter Willett. A renowned epidemiologist and nutrition expert, Walter Willett, presents a comprehensive guide to healthy eating and living in Eat, Drink, and Be Healthy. Drawing on decades of research and experience, Willett explores the intricate relationship between diet, lifestyle, and overall well-being. The book begins by challenging dietary myths and misconceptions, emphasizing the importance of balanced nutrition and sustainable habits. Willett introduces readers to the concept of the healthy eating pyramid, a visual representation of a balanced diet that encourages a variety of foods and proportions. He provides evidence-based recommendations for optimal nutrition, discussing the significance of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, while cautioning against excessive sugar and processed foods. Eat, Drink, and Be Healthy serves as a practical roadmap for readers seeking to make informed choices about their diets and lifestyles, empowering them to achieve long-term health and vitality. Number 1. Wheat Belly by William Davis. Cardiologist Dr. William Davis delves into the controversial topic of wheat consumption and its impact on our health in wheat belly. Davis argues that modern wheat, particularly the genetically modified and highly processed varieties, is a primary contributor to a range of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. The book begins by examining the historical evolution of wheat and its transformation into the prevalent staple it is today. Davis discusses the significant changes in wheat genetics and farming practices that have occurred over the decades, leading to the development of wheat strains that may not be well suited for human consumption. He presents compelling evidence linking the consumption of modern wheat to adverse health effects and makes a case for adopting a wheat-free lifestyle. While the book has generated both support and controversy within the scientific community, Wheat Belly has sparked a conversation about the role of wheat in our diets and has prompted many readers to reevaluate their eating habits and explore alternative grains. As we wrap up our journey through the world of nutrition literature, it's clear that the path to better health and well-being is paved with knowledge, understanding, and informed choices. The best nutrition books offer us a compass to navigate the complex landscape of dietary information and guide us toward healthier lives. So, whether you're embarking on a journey to better nutrition or simply looking to expand your knowledge, remember that the power to transform your health is within your grasp. It all starts with a book, a commitment to learning, and a desire to eat, drink, and be healthy. Video helps you find the next book you are going to read, then like and share this video. Let me know in comment section on what type of books I should cover in my next video. Also, if you read one of the book mentioned in this video, share your review or thoughts with us. Subscribe this channel for more such awesome videos. Thanks for watching.